Hey everyone! Today I am going to draw and color beautiful Scooter step by step. Let's go start drawing. First, I'll draw a circle like this. Now I'm drawing a wheel. Now I am drawing the front wheel. Draw a long line here like this. I am drawing the seat of this motorcycle. This is the rear light. So friends, now I am drawing the front main light of this motorcycle. This is the handle. I'll match it here exactly like this. Great! Now I will thicken the outlines of this drawing so that it looks nice. Now I will color it. Let's go start coloring. First of all, I am using orange color in this motorcycle. So friends, keep watching. I'm giving this seat a red color. This is the color yellow. Sky blue color. Now I'm giving this color beautifully. Last color brown. So friends, our drawing is complete here. If you like the drawing, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you later in the video.